taking you on a flavorful journey through one of Ethiopia's most beloved dishes, Doro Wot, a spicy and deeply satisfying chicken stew that's central to Ethiopian food culture. Whether you've tasted it before or this is your first time hearing about it, you're in for something truly special. Doro Wot, it's spelled Dorowat, literally means chicken stew in Amharic, the official language of Ethiopia. But it's more than just a dish, it's tradition. It's served during holidays like Easter and Christmas, on birthdays, and whenever there's something to celebrate. Made with slow-cooked onions, a rich spice blend called Berbere, and finished with hard-boiled eggs, Doro Wot is Ethiopia's culinary crown jewel. It's typically eaten with Injera, a soft, sour flatbread made from teff flour, which also doubles as your utensil. No forks or spoons, just hands and love. Um, let's talk sports. You know where the sports are. You won 20 plus 2. Ingredients. For a traditional family-sized Doro Wot, you'll need 1 whole chicken skinned and cut into pieces, the juice of 1 lemon salt, and here's the star, between 1.5 to 2 kilograms of finely chopped red onions, 3/4 of a cup of niter, kibbeh, that's spiced clarified butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Berbere spice depending on your heat tolerance, a tablespoon each of minced garlic and ginger, 1 cup of water or chicken broth, and 4 to 6 hard-boiled eggs. We'll go through the steps together, step by step. We'll go through the steps together. Just briefly, mark pressing the 2 stubs in the sand. The second step, I flatten them. Marinate the chicken pieces with lemon juice and a bit of salt. Let them sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse and set aside. This helps remove any odor and tenderizes the meat. Step 2, cook the onions. Here's the Ethiopian secret, no oil yet. You cook the onions dry on medium-low heat, stirring frequently. This takes 45 minutes to an hour. Yes, you heard that right. What you're doing is caramelizing the onions down into a thick, almost jam-like base. This is what gives Doro Wot its signature richness. Step 3, add niter, kibbeh, and spices. Once your onions are deep brown and thick, add your niter, kibbeh, and let that melt in. Then comes the Berbere spice. Add it in, stir, and cook it down for about 5 minutes. The kitchen should now be filled with warm, spicy, buttery aromas. Next, toss in your garlic and ginger, stir again, and cook for another minute or 2. Step 4, add the chicken. Place your chicken pieces into this beautiful onion spice mixture, coat them well, then let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes, uncovered, so they start to brown and absorb flavor. Step 5, simmer low and slow. Pour in 1 cup of water or broth. Lower the heat and cover the pot. Let it simmer gently for 45 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked and tender. Check now and then to make sure the sauce isn't too dry. Add a splash of water if needed. Step 6, add the eggs. Lastly, take your boiled eggs, make a few shallow slits in each, and drop them into the stew. Let them simmer in that spicy sauce for another 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, Ethiopia on a plate. 1 segment 4, how to serve. Segment 3, page 808. Doro Wot is traditionally served with Injera, Ethiopia's sour, spongy flatbread. You lay the Injera flat on a tray, scoop the Doro Wot on top, and eat with your hands. Want to complete the meal? Add some Ethiopian cottage cheese, known as aib, and maybe a side of cooked greens like gomen. Collard greens sautéed in garlic. Segment 1, tips and cultural notes, 8 through 950. Here are a few tips for success. Be patient with the onions. Don't rush that step. It's what separates okay Doro Wot from amazing Doro Wot. Use authentic ingredients if you can. Real Berbere and niter kibbeh are available in Ethiopian grocery stores or online. And remember, the dish actually tastes better the next day after the flavors have had more time to develop. Now, a quick cultural note, in Ethiopia, Doro Wot is more than just food. It's used to mark important life events, baptisms, weddings, holidays. Serving it to guests is a sign of deep respect, and giving someone the drumstick, that's an honor. So, there you have it. Your complete guide to making authentic Ethiopian Doro Wot. Spicy, rich, soulful, and perfect for sharing. Thanks for listening. I hope you give this dish a try in your kitchen. If you do, let me know how it turns